Hi there, I'm at the Palazzo Tascalanza doing a cooking class with the Duchess, Nicoletta Polo, out here on her beautiful balcony. I don't know if you can see out here, absolutely beautiful. Everyone's doing a cooking class. And out here going through in her beautiful Palazzo Tasca. We might just walk a little bit and go into the dining room, her beautiful dining room. Have a look at this one, might be doing something here. Have a look at that one. It's a beautiful dining room. We're going to have dinner. Lunch. Look at this one there. Gorgeous. Beautiful. It's a historical palazzo where the leopard.
People enjoying the location and the cooking classes as well. So thank you so much to all of you.
Wonderful.
And I hope to see you soon. So
Beautiful. We'll go through the corridors and maybe we might be able to see her in the kitchen talking to the guests.
Berlin, sorry, Berlin. And he sent me, that's where what's up? Urgent. How did you do this?
How did you learn how to cook?
Yeah.
I'm watching my mom,
Your
or
mother
watching
was
my
a-
grandmothers, or just reading cookbooks, or watching everybody ask.
She's a wonderful icon for Palermo. And a lot of the tourists love coming here and doing a cooking class with her. It's an amazing time to do it with her as she teaches you the history of Palermo, the history of Sicilian cooking, and her history as well. And it's a wonderful experience to do. So if you're ever in Palermo, do look up the Duchess Nicoletta Polo and go on to Butera 28, and you can email her or call her, and she's very welcoming and very hospitable. Bye.